Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Coupert application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And within this section, look for the region and language button and click on that. And here, next to the language section, click on the white square. And as you can see, these are the languages that you can set. So just click on the one that you want to use and then click on the OK button and your language is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.